how to create an application gateway in Microsoft Azure. Step 1, log into the Azure portal. Done. Then you want to search for application gateway. We then click application gateway from the drop-down menu. We hit create application gateway. We're going to assign this gateway to our test subscription and our test resource group. We're going to call this test app gateway. We're then going to assign the region East US, the tier standard. We will have auto scaling enabled. We will leave minimum instant count to 0 because that enables auto scaling. Maximum instant count is 10. We're gonna apply this to IPv4 only traffic. You can leave FIPS disabled. That generally is only enabled for special security conditions. Then we'll choose our virtual network, which is going to be firewall test 1. We'll choose our subnet, which is just for now going to be our default subnet. And just for this purposes, I have created a subnet called App Gateway Subnet. So you'll need a subnet that doesn't have any associations with a firewall or a routing table in order to do this. Then you hit next for front ends. You choose your public IP. In my case, I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to call this App Gateway Pub IP. You hit OK. Hit next. Next. For backends, you hit Add Backend Pool. We'll call this App Gateway Backend. And then the target is going to be do 10.0.3.4 and 10.0.4.4. Those are IP addresses of 2 virtual machines I have previously spun up. You then hit add configuration, then hit next. You add routing rule. We'll call this app gateway routing rule. The priority for this will be 600. We'll then assign a listener name. So we'll call this app gateway listener. We'll do the front end as a public IP with its HTTP basic, right? Let's see here. And then we hit add. We then need to configure our backend pool, which is going to be test backend pool. And then we're going to add a backend settings. We'll call this app gateway backend settings. Backend port is 80. We can leave this all the defaults. And then we hit add, and then we hit add. We then hit next, and then we hit review and create. And there we go. That is how you create an application gateway in Azure. And then you just give it a minute for it to spin up the resource. If you like this content and you'd like to see more, please go ahead and hit the like button. Mouthful, I know. If you want to keep learning about application gateways in Azure, please subscribe either here on TikTok or up above in my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed, boys.